open your course and complete Lesson 8. It's time to put into practice the skills and best practices you've learned. A variable name can contain numbers but cannot start with a number. I'm opening VS Code to create a new Python file called bestpractice.py. Declaring a variable starting with a number results in an error. Spaces are not allowed in variable names. Python will return an error if your variable names contain spaces. Declaring a variable a with a space results in an error. Declaring a variable a space b also results in an error. So we cannot use spaces while declaring variables. Instead, we can use underscores to create a variable. You can use a variable to construct a new variable. First I am declaring x variable value equals 3. Then declaring y variable value equals x. Displaying the variables to see the result. Here I declared y equals x, which means y equals value of x, that is 3. Now, we are going to solve these practice programs. First program is to display hello username. I am creating a new folder to organize and store all the problems in it. Creating a new file with the name display_username.py. The .py extension indicates that it is a Python file. First, I'm declaring two variables. The first variable name, greeting, with the value, hello. The second variable name, user_name, with the value, nick. I am using a comma to display two variables at a time. There is another way to display the two strings together. Here, I'm using the plus sign. If you observe the output, the first statement is correct, but in the second one, spaces are missing between greeting and user_name. Therefore, we need to add the space in between, resulting in the output, hello Nick. Second program is to find average of two numbers. Creating another file in the folder. Simply add the two numbers together and then divide the sum by 2 to get the average. Declaring two variables. Number 1 equals 5 and number 2 equals 6. Then average equals number 1 plus number 2 by 2. Displaying the result of average using print statement. Here average in double quotes considered as a string. Average without double quotes considered as variable. Let's solve the next three problems. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to leave a comment. I'd be happy to assist you. And if you're new to this channel, please subscribe my channel. Your support is appreciated, so don't forget to like my video. Thank you.